Learn more about my website development service in Zambia, web hosting in Zambia, web development agency or company in Zambia. I create websites of unparalleled quality, enormous creativity and innovative ideas that support lead generation, high profit and rapid entrepreneurial growth. Websites established in Zambia for success at Keith Rains. We are one of the most relevant and well-known brands to create some of the industry's most technical and user-friendly solutions. Our esteemed technical team in Toronto provides extensive experience and understanding of related languages, PHP, XML, HTML5, CSS, SAS, C#, JavaScript, .NET and SCSS, as well as of relevant scripting, branding and languages. Our Connex Media team offers our consumers an immense advantage and is customer-focused. By evaluating harmonious solutions for the perfect result, we create a customer-centric experience. By using modern and innovative technology and integrating our experience into your vision, we provide you with a peerless, best-in-class solution. Once the project is completed, we offer sufficient training and support. Our process of validation helps the customer to manage them properly. We create websites with full functionality and performance. Our hard-worked and dedicated team of experts will help you develop a website that will digitally improve your business. Why web development services in Zambia? Responsive mobile-friendly website designing in Zambia to ensure the highest benefit and optimum experience across all devices from mobile phones to computers. We create consistent and coherent adaptable websites. We develop websites that perform easily on all types of devices and rekindle your online presence and generate online sales. Content management system in Zambia. Good CMS makes web maintenance fast and easy and offers developers a lot of flexibility. With technology like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal and Magento, we develop intricate content administration solutions. The most suitable CMS makes your website easy to handle. When publishing your content accordingly is easy for you and you do not have to outsource or pay for others. Mobile development in Zambia. The advancement in technology opened the way for a new future and has changed the relationship between consumers and websites. Mobile is a handy device and the use of the internet on mobile phones has increased. With UX perfect, faultless architecture and versatile website that is fully intuitive and suits every screen size without any problem, we create mobile-friendly interfaces that connect with your audiences. WordPress development in Zambia. With user experience, specially made plugins and state-of-the-art technology, we will diversify the project for the best and unbeatable results. We have a talented WordPress development team in cahoots with you to build and optimize a platform that serves as a shadow of your business. Custom web development in Zambia. Adaptation is a difficult and complex operation. What it needs is a thorough investigation and an understanding of state-of-the-art instruments to meet its industry standards. To enhance the efficiency of your enterprise, we incorporate complex systems and outside software into various frameworks. What are you still waiting for? Contact me now. If you learned something from this video, give it a like to support me and subscribe.